it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And today I'm here with
Jacob.
and Jacob is going to demonstrate his ability to play all of the songs in the Level 3 piano book, Unit 2. And he has to play each one with the accompaniment tracks, starting with the technique book, and then the lessons book, and then the solos book. So maybe check your distance real quick. I think you're sitting just a little too close. Here we go. And performance tempo, remember to lift at the end of each slur. Feet flat on the floor. And lift. E-I-E-I-O. Don't forget to take crescendo. Performance tempo. Start nice and quiet. Oh, that was the wrong one. But let's just do this performance tempo. Shifting gears. Yeah, check your left hand position. Can you round your hand shape? Keep your feet flat. Turn the page with it. Oh! No, the phone is done.
This song.